In this lesson, we want to customize our appearance of our theme, set our front page and other little appearance parameters from the theme settings. But before I go into that, let me mention that the menu locations I have here is theme dependent. So for example, here now, we have just 2 menu locations, which we saw in the last lesson. We have site navigation and this. Some other themes would have primary menu as the location for your main menu, so you can always put it that. Some will have 4 locations or even more. Some will have a separate location for mobile menu, so that if you're creating your menu, you have to create the primary menu for desktop and you have to create the same menu and duplicate it in mobile menu. So theme location is also theme dependent for your menu. So it depends, it varies from theme to theme. So that said, now let's configure our appearance. Let's customize the theme appearance. So we come to appearance here and customize. This is a place that you would be visiting frequently to alter and adjust the layout of your website. So remember, we said this is still our front page, but this should not be what our front page is. This is a default front page from WordPress. So to change that, let's come to general settings. I'll just take you on a tour. And of course, the parameters you have here also are theme dependent. So they will vary from theme to theme. So front page, that's the first page that people land at when they visit your website. What is the first page you want them to come to? So our front page, yes, we want it to be a page. It could either be a blog, a post, or blah, blah, blah. But we want it to be a page. We want to use the home page we created, right? So it says what to show on the front page. So we should, if you choose a page, then make sure that in the this, so we click this. So we want it as a static page, right? Since we made it a page, we're going to choose a static page here. And then, so what should our home page be? We're going to select home from here. So whatever you are doing on the left, it is showing you the preview on the right here. So we see now this is our home page. This is what we want. This is what we want, right? So we publish this. That's fine. Let's look at what it will look like on different devices. So you see these icons here. This is a desktop icon. So this is what it looks like. This is a preview on desktop. This is a preview on tabs. This is a preview on mobile. This is a preview on mobile, right? So got that. So we shift back. We've gotten the front page. Let's also check the logo. I think that should be under general settings. It varies from theme to theme. So theme header, footer, logo. Let me go back. It varies from theme to theme. So here, front page, general layout, background layout, theme header, footer, headings. Okay, let me come up from general settings, header settings, site identity. We can now change our site title from WP Training. Here we can change it to Chop and Go, right? So this is going to change from WP Training to Chop and Go. And then our logo, yes, is under site identity here. We can now select here to upload the logo. Come to upload files, select, and so this is our logo. I have 2 versions of the logo. I have a white and a gray, so I'll upload the second version too. There is a white and a gray because I will explain that there is a gray. So select, Chop and Go. This is what I want. So this is the gray, right? And the reason why I selected the grays, you notice when you scroll to the top of your website, let's go here, let's see a front end preview. When you're at the top of your website, the background is white, right? But since we have a sticky header that stays at the top even when we scroll up, by the time we scroll up, the background changes to gray. So for the white background, we will need gray text, and for the gray background, we will need white text. You notice it changing here. You see the text is white when the background is gray, so it can be visible. And when the background is white, the text is gray. So that's why I also created two logos with two different colors. So this is for the white background. So chop and go. Tagline, we don't need any tagline. Let's delete that. So we got that. Let's publish. Let's scroll up and back. Then we come here to header settings. So you see sticky header. Sticky header, that's what I'm telling you about. When you scroll up, the header stays at the top. So we need a different logo when this happens. So sticky header, we click that. And these positions, these parameters would vary from theme to theme. So depending on the theme you're using, you would always want to check to find out how it is captioned there. So yes, we want the logo, we want the white logo for that. So there you go. When it's white, is this, and when it's that, is that. Okay, let's also publish that. Okay, so we go back. We don't need this button here, so let's click on this. You see this pencil icon? You can just, when you're in the appearance side, you can always edit this and it will bring it up here. So edit this text, we don't need it. So we're going to clear it out. We don't want that. And the search, we don't need that search icon there too. So we disable search. Good. So let's publish. Okay. When you play around this place, the beautiful thing about it is whatever you do here, you see it happen on the right. So when you play around here, you get to know what is meant for what. But these are the major things I'm showing you right now. So, let's look at our front end now and see what we have. Home. Okay, chop and go. Yes. Home page. About us. Yes. Dishes. Intercontinental. Yes. African. Yes. Contact us. Yes. And then back to home. Good. So let's edit the footer as well. You see this? Let's edit that. So if you scroll here to the bottom, you can see this. Edit footer. So let's just do this. So we just say designed by me. 2021. Okay. Publish. That's about it. Our site is now good to go. Good to go. Do you have exactly this at your end? I believe so. And if you do, congratulations. If you don't, you can go back to the videos and check where you might have missed it and then make your corrections and you will have just this. In the next lesson, we'll see how to create a blog and then how to link your blog to your menu. And then we'll be slowly bringing the course to an end.